Hi everyone, this is Leslie from Packing. Today we're gonna unbox these newly arrived machines. This is exactly how you're gonna receive it. So let's get started. Our packages is made of solid wooden crate, and the room here is really convenient for the forklifts.
We use self-tapping screws, which are faster and easier than prying open the crate. It prevents damage to the wooden box, makes the process safer, and allows the crate to be reused. This method is cleaner, more professional, and much more efficient.
This is how it looks like inside the box. Our machines are all protected with 3 layers of plastic films to prevent dust, scratches, and moisture. Right now, we just need to remove them accordingly.
We use 2 layers of plastic film, and the final layer is a plastic bag. The dust collector is packed in the same way. Other small accessories are also packed properly. These are accessories of the vacuum feeder.
Now we're gonna install the machine.
This is the powder feeder's material sensor. When the sensor detects enough powder, the vacuum loader stops working. When the powder level drops below the sensor, the vacuum loader starts working again. The sensor is installed on the wall of the feeding hopper. This is where the power connector of the vacuum feeder is installed. The vacuum feeder is then connected to the vacuum feeding pipe. Now we connect the suction pipe. The other end of the suction pipe is connected to the round steel suction tube. Turn on the vacuum switch valve during operation. Then connect the dust collection pipe. Connect the dust collector power supply. The other end of the dust collector power cable is connected to the tablet press.
Before starting the machine, first open the door and check if there is any foreign matters.
Not only check the surface for foreign objects, but also open the cover to check the power section. Manually rotate the hand wheel to check for any internal jamming in the machine. Turn off the main power switch and get ready to connect the power. Let's follow the engineer step by step to connect the power. Connect it to power terminals L1, L2, L3A and the ground wire. Turn on the main power switch and the screen lights up successfully.
Now we've done the unboxing and the assembly of this machine. How about yours? We'll record other step-by-step instruction videos. If you have any more questions, just reach out to us. See you in the next video.